Hello, final days on the building site. As you can see, there's a fair bit of work gone on. Driveway's been ripped up and edging around there. New driveway going through to the backyard shed. Obviously, house is looking a bit different. It's been a while since I posted video, but new garage. Obviously, all the plastering is complete and joinery is now in. And we go through from here. Laundry, straight up. Plumber put these in yesterday, so obviously washer, dryer, fully plumbed in, both of, so there, and sinks connected. So the back, obviously bedroom, carpets down, blinds down, semi set up, built-in wardrobe around there, but I've got filthy shoes on, so we're not going that far. Come through into the additional lounge room area here. So this flows into open plan backyard area. Concreting's been done out there with exposed aggregate. And then the next stage is that we join shed and yard together. New water tanks. Brackets for the TV to go on the wall. And obviously flooring still covered up, so we don't damage the concrete finish. Built-in office area, so little spot for printer. Desktop is Tas Oak and the joinery is the Adriatic, which matches in with the rest of the trimming. Obviously the ducted heating vents all throughout, so that's going to have a individually controlled zone system for each room. Bedroom, so this is the only room that stayed exactly the same. We've cleaned this ourselves, so we just started to set up a few bits and pieces in that room, but amazing sun in that one. Master toilet, obviously where it was originally, just a little bit of a control hatch for the access for the sliding cavity. And the bathroom, so the shower screens went in a couple of hours ago, so we've just tested those out. Shelving in there, obviously the concrete bathtub, and then the matching twin sinks, which will have obviously mirror put in as well. We're just waiting on that to come through. Floor heating controller. As we come down here, so obviously big floor ceiling storage and one of the air returns in the other end of the house. The old favourite feature, which let's see, a bit too far back in, the big cavity sliding panel, which sections off both ends of the house. So it fully locks it away. On there. Pick up that chamber that just fell out. So TV room, ducted heating in the back of that one there. And this is where the original feature for windows from the 80s design have been retained. Front door, same size as well, but just made full length instead of having a little separate glass section. Powder room for guests with vanity. Concrete as well, the basin, but different colour to the others. Mirror will be installed at the back of the joinery here. This is the same stone as bathroom, laundry, kitchen, ensuite. So again, shower screen just arrived. Toilet, double vanities and mirror to the ceiling in this one here. Around the corner, I've got the walk-in wardrobe. Sensor lights just kicked in. And bedroom, I'm not going around there because my shoes are filthy. Main lounge, woodhead's been installed, built-in joinery, so television will go above. They're the original size windows from the house, and that door is original as well, but just a different design panelling. Benching behind the kitchen. This was the old end of the kitchen, which just had a small window, so that's obviously been extended down, and you can see out to across the top of Lauderdale, right down to the Tasman Peninsula. New deck added on. It's been dog-proof fencing around it for new lawn that's been in there. and kitchen. So obviously the dishwasher nicely integrated here. Ovens and cooktop, which is all lovely and dusty. Hidden away drawers everywhere in the kitchen. Built-in, obviously, range hood in that top section there through to butler's pantry. So another little sink tucked in there. And then the refrigerator will go in around the corner here, so plenty of room for that.